Claim Services, and I am in Jupiter, Florida today, and we are looking at a roof that is absolutely a train wreck. And the reason why I say that is, you see these front corners, how they're broken off? That is actually wind damage, because what happens is when the wind blows, this thing will shake and vibrate to the point where the front corner will actually break off. But you can see all of these shingles are lifting the entire panel, and this is the whole roof. So you'll see that all of these front corners are broken off. See that one right there? This is on every face of this roof. That is all wind damage right there. And you can hear as I'm walking on this roof, if we have any type of wind blow through here, this will come right off, 100%. So that's that. You can see up here. This is absolutely wind damage right here. So, thanks for stopping by today. We will keep you posted on this claim. And if you have any questions, please reach out to myself at 561-352-5960 or on my website, assuranceclaimservices.com. Thanks so much.